how to create 3-layer video in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can create 3-layer video in CapCut very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, you can see new project. So click on new project and then you can see your gallery and select the video which you want to add. So after this, click on add options. So when you will click on add options, here wait some second. So you can see a video is uploading to CapCut. So we will wait until it's complete 100%. So you can see now video is added. So you can see it is the first layer. So if you want to add the another layer, so firstly click on it and transform into the horizontal form. Click on transform and click on rotate. So you can see video is added as a horizontal. So after this again you can see click on it and then you can see overlay option. So click on overlay, then click on add overlay. So after this click on another video which you want to add second layer. So after this click on add options. So after this again wait until 200%. So you can see another video is uploading. So when it will uploaded, so you can also follow the another process. So you can see it is the second video. So click on the second video and then again move the options on the left side and find the options transform. So you can see transformation options and click on rotate. So you can see video is rotating and you can see it is converted into the horizontal. So after this here you can see again click on it and then click on add overlay again. So select third video. So after this click on add options. So again wait some second. So you can see video is uploading. So after uploading, so you can see we will adjust the transform. So after this we will click on it and then click on transform. So after click on transform, click on rotate. After this we will adjust the position and size. So you can see position and size is adjusted. So now when I will play this video, so you can see it show like this. So guys, in this way you can create 3-layer video in CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.